So this is what you get in the kit. This ring here is some kind of locking ring for the bearing, and as you can see here, I just cut it in half, and it sits right here, and it was rusted on real good, so I just cut it off at an angle right now. But I'm still gonna have to cut, you know, this is just rubber, but this is metal, these inner rings. You're gonna have to cut the outer ones and just leave the inner one. You want to hold on to that one because you're gonna use it, you know, to pry the new bearing on. And obviously you want to clean this up and lubricate it before you start jamming the new one on there. Okay, we'll get to it.